Now we're going to be practicing consonant blends on both ends of our vowel. So we still have our short vowel in the middle, and we're going to add a consonant blend to the beginning and a consonant blend at the end. Are you ready? Okay, let's sound out our new word. Tap and stretch. Slant. Tap and stretch again. Slant. Okay, now let's try to say it fast. Ready? Slant. Say it fast. Slant. Yes, slant. Let's change this out. Are you ready? Okay, now we have our initial consonant blend P out. Let's sound this new word out, okay? Plant. Tap and stretch again. Plant. Good. Let's say it fast. Plant. Say it fast. Plant. Yes, plant. My mom loves plants. Okay, here is another new consonant blend on the beginning. Let's sound out this new word. Grant. Tap and stretch again. Grant. Say it fast. Grant. Say it fast. Grant. Grant. Yeah, like to grant or to allow something. Could also be a name, grant, but then it would have to be a capital G. Okay, now let's put this digraph in the beginning. Remember, a digraph is two letters that make one sound. So the CH makes a new sound, which is ch. Okay, ready? Tap and stretch. Chant. Tap and stretch again. Chant. Say it fast. Chant. Say it fast. Chant. Yes, to chant. You know, to say something over and over again is a chant, right? Good job. Okay. Now we'll be working with words that have the MP consonant blend on the end, our short A vowel still. Are you ready? We're going to add our ST blend at the beginning. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Stamp. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Stamp. Good. Say it fast. Stamp. Say it fast. Stamp. Yes, I like to play with stamps, or we put a stamp on a letter. Now we'll try our TR. You ready? Let's sound out our new word. Tramp. Tap and stretch it again. Tramp. Say it fast. Tramp. Say it fast. Tramp. Yeah, tramp is what they used to call the guys that would travel on the trains all the time. Nah, we don't use that word very much anymore. All right, let's see what our new one's going to be. All right, let's practice with ND as our final consonant blend. And we'll do ST again as our first consonant blend. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Ready? Stand. Tap and stretch. Stand. Say it fast. Stand. Say it fast. Stand. Yes, would you stand beside me? Good job. Okay. Now we're going to add our BR blend to the beginning. You ready? Tap and stretch. Brand. Good. Tap and stretch those sounds again for me. Brand. Say it fast. Brand. Good. Say it fast. Brand. Yeah, what brand of shampoo is that? I like that. Okay, now we'll put in our BL, consonant blend at the beginning, and we will tap and stretch our new word. You ready? Bland. Tap and stretch our word again. Bland. Say it fast. Bland. Say it fast. Bland. Yes, potatoes taste bland without any salt or butter or anything like that. Now let's work with our GR consonant blend in the front and sound out this word. Tap and stretch with me. Grand. Tap and stretch it again. Grand. Say it fast. Grand. Say it fast. Grand. Oh, that's grand, which means wonderful. Or, hey, I've got a grand, which is $1,000, right? Okay, let's change our final consonant blend to ST. And we'll do our front initial blend will be BL. Let's try this word out. You ready? Tap and stretch. Blast. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Blast. Say it fast. Blast. Say it fast. Blast. Blast off. Yeah, that was good. All right, let's do one more. Are you ready to tap out this big word with me? Let's tap and stretch this big word. Branch. Good. Tap and stretch it again. Branch. Okay, let's say it fast. Branch. Oh, good. Say it fast again. Branch. Branch. Yes. Like a branch of a tree that my swing is hanging from. Good job with initial and final consonant blends on the same word. Great work.